My name's Mitch. We're driving, or I'm driving. Well, for one, I'm gonna go get some coffee. Two, we're gonna pick up Kyle on the way. And three, we're going to the Gilmore Car Museum for this weekend because they are doing a vintage motorcycle weekend. And Janus motorcycles, we're gonna be there. I brought the Halcyon 450, Halcyon 250, and the Phoenix 250. And we were setting up yesterday and people were already asking us questions, and apparently we've been to the Gilmore a long time ago when we made the 50cc. So we'll see how this goes. Good morning, Kyle.
Good morning.
Are you ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
It's gonna be a fun show.
Gilmore.
All right, wearing his Janus shirt, he's ready.
Rock and roll.
Here we go. So tell us a little bit about this storage container you got going on here.
Yeah, so I have 10 mini bikes and let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 motorcycles in there.
Oh my.
And a 1968 Ford pickup truck. And then I built a loft and I've got a sofa and hangout area.
Yeah. So that's your workshop, your flipper. You flip the motorcycles.
Flip
there.
the motorcycles there.
Yeah.
And then I also have storage for about 150 leather jackets and probably about the same amount of boots.
Awesome. So, well, how long have you been working at Janus now?
I have been at Janus since August of last year, so about 9 months.
9 months. And what do you do at Janus? You want to tell the people?
Yeah, I build all of the 250s, start to finish, bare frame to certified riding.
Awesome. So you got the background in flipping motorcycles, and then you were able to transition over to Janus. Fairly simple enough, you know.
Yeah.
Same concept, engine, wheels, parts.
Yeah, it's motorcycle.
Yeah. Which model is your favorite to build?
I mean, the Halcyon is the quickest,
Yeah.
the easiest. I haven't built any Phoenixes yet.
Oh.
We haven't had any across the board.
All right.
So,
Okay.
yeah. Griffins are more intricate, just more parts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's cool. All right. Well, this is your first show with Janus motorcycles, and we're gonna have some fun, walk around with some GoPros, and show you all what we're gonna be doing today. So here we go. So they got some of the buildings in here. Back there is Ford. We got Cadillac over here. A couple ones we missed on the other side. We'll walk back to them later. So yeah, we're gonna have all sorts of these guys. Right. Somebody took our spot.
Or our bikes.
Or our bikes. Bikes are still there. Yep. That's great.
That's the most important thing.
All right. Right before the show starts, got Kyle wiping down bikes. Got a lot of vendors and booths gonna be coming here. So it's pretty cool. It's like this is a big old loop, and vendors kind of just come and park and kind of sell whatever they got going on. So Janus will be here showing off what we got going on. Got our 450, our Phoenix 250, a Halcyon 250. We're set up, ready for the show. People are wheeling in. Let's see what's riding by here. Yeah. mopeds, we got scooters, we got motorcycles, anything with 2 wheels, even 3 wheels. Try not to get run over here. Oh, Suzuki 185, look at that. Awesome. Yeah, let's get a close-up on this BSA. Look at this, that's great. 1964. Gotta appreciate those pinstripes. the end of the show. We're here at the Gilmore Car Museum packing up. We had a great 2 days here. A lot of nice people telling everyone who we are and what we're about. And if you've never been here before, definitely make it out here for the Gilmore Car Museum. It's definitely worth coming to and checking out all the awesome history, motorcycles, old motorcycles, old cars, everything that they have. Kyle, did you have a good time?
I had a great time.
Awesome. What was your favorite?
Selling Janus bikes.
Yeah, selling Janus bikes, man.
No, there were 3 CB750s that were made the same day, which is crazy to me as a builder. I can build 3 in a week if things are going well, and to see something that was built in a giant factory in the 1960s is incredible.
That's right. Yeah, man. A lot of cool bikes. So make sure you come on out next year. We'll be here, and we'll catch you later. Thank you for watching.